Hey YouTube, welcome to Credit Viral. In this very important video, we are going to give you the secret to remove hard inquiries from your Equifax and Experian credit report. Remember, after this video, I know that we are going to receive a lot of heat from credit experts, YouTubers, and other credit gurus who charge a lot of money to do this. And now the secret is revealed in front of you on Credit Viral channel, and that's why we request you to watch this video till the end to learn this very important secret and easily remove the hard inquiries from your Equifax and Experian credit report. We put a lot of effort on making this video, so please make sure you smash the like button right now, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's start the video, and here's the countdown. 3, 2, 1, let's go. So before we go towards the step-by-step guide, we have a very important thing to tell you, and you need to remember this. Please do not do this for inquiries that are connected to your open accounts. For example, you applied for a credit card and you got approved for it. So when they approve for that credit card, they do a hard inquiry and it shows on your credit report. If that inquiry is connected to your open account, means the credit card that you got, please do not do this for that inquiry, as it will flag your credit report. So please remember this. So please smash the like button right now, as you already know that we are taking a very big risk. So now we are on the step number 1. Please make sure you remember this, because this is step 1 and we have 5 steps and very simple steps for you. If you follow each and every step carefully, then you'll be able to remove hard inquiries from your Equifax and Transunion credit report. So what is the first step? Well, you need to go to this website, www.sagestreamllc.com. Again, the website is www.sagestreamllc.com. Transunion and Equifax will not ask lenders directly for proof. Remember, they don't ask lenders directly for the proof of these hard inquiries. So they have their system, and SageStream is one of them. So what you need to do? Well, you need to go to this website and freeze your credit report there. When you go to this website, make sure you freeze your credit report, and this is a very important thing to do. Now, step number 2, you need to go to another website, and this time is www.lexisnexis.com. And you need to do the same thing. As we mentioned earlier, the Transunion and Equifax will not ask lender directly for proof, so they have their own system, and LexisNexis is one of them as well. So you need to go there as well and freeze your credit report. So what happens when you freeze your credit report? It will serve as a very important step when it comes to removing those hard inquiries. And one more thing that we would like to tell you right here, that step number 3, 4, and 5 are very important steps. So we request you to please make sure you watch this video till the end and follow all the steps very carefully. So here's the step number 3, that is dispute letter. So you need to write on Google Fair Credit Act. Yes, when you put the Google search engine and write Fair Credit Act, you will go to a website known as Fair Credit Act. And what you need to do, you need to go to section 604 in that website and download the form 604. So what is form 604? Form 604 is known as the form to remove or dispute hard inquiries on your Transunion and Equifax credit report. Make sure you write on Google Fair Credit Act, go to section 604 and download the form 604. So what happens after that? and that is the step number 4, and this is very important, so please make sure you watch this very carefully. And if you haven't smashed the like button, do it right now, as you already know that we are going to receive a lot of heat from credit experts, gurus and YouTubers because we finally revealed the secret in front of the general public. So the step number 4 is put hard inquiries you want to dispute on that letter. Yes, you heard it right. On that form 604, you need to put the hard inquiries you want to dispute. But remember, when you put the hard inquiries in form 604, do not sign the letter. Yes, you heard it right. You don't want these credit companies to have your sign on the letter, so please do not sign the letter. And again, we request you, do not put the hard inquiries in form 604 that are connected to your open accounts. And again, do not sign this form 604, just put the hard inquiries you would like to dispute. So now here's the step number 5, and this is very important. Send the letter to Transunion and Equifax. Now you must be thinking how we are going to get the address of Transunion and Equifax. It's very simple. Just on Google write the address of Transunion and you will get the address of Transunion, and same for Equifax. Just write Equifax address and you will get the address of Equifax as well. So on Google, just write the address of Transunion, you will get the address of Transunion, and then write the address of Equifax and you will get the address of Equifax. But with this, you need to remember this very important thing. Use certified mail only. Again, use certified mail only to send the form 604 to Transunion and Equifax. So what now? Well, they will not be able to verify inquiries and inquiries will be removed. Now you must be asking how. You remember the SageStream and LexisNexis? Well, your credit report is frozen there, so they will not be able to verify the inquiries and your credit inquiries will be removed from your Transunion and Equifax credit report. Make sure, again, do not dispute the inquiries that are connected to your open accounts. If you have any questions at all, please let us know in the comments below and we will be happy to answer each and every question of yours. Please don't forget to smash the like button as it helps this video reach to the wider audience. You already know that we have finally revealed this secret to the general public and now we are going to receive a lot of heat because of it, so we deserve a like from you. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. We will see you in the next video very soon. Till then, please take care and have a nice day.